Hello everyone, my name is Vadini. I'm from RPIIT College Karnal, Plaza. Today we are going to learn about a program in C that performs deletion of an element from an array. Let's start from the beginning. Hash include stdio. This is a header file. This is basically a preprocessor directive that includes standard input-output library. It allows, we can use the functions like printf and scanf. Then main, this is the starting point of the program and it's a good practice to define it as int main and end with the return 0 also we can put it. Then we will like variable declarations are there. Int a10, which means that array of the size 10 to hold integers. Then position, pose, which means position or index from which an element will be deleted. The next one we will declare item declared but unused in this code. Then index. Index is used as a loop counter. Let's start with the array input. From here, where this loop takes 10 integer inputs from the user to populate an array. For that, we use one loop that is for. It will like 10 inputs it will take and then scanf from the user. Then read deletion, we will printf input position of to be deleted, which means user is asked to enter the position or we can say the index of the element which is we want it to be deleted. Then deletion logic will come in this where we use one loop and index also index equal to pos, index is less than equal to 9 and index plus plus. Here the starting from the pos and each element is replaced by the next one where what we are doing is a index plus 1. So effectively it is shifting to the left side. So what is this basically logic is which assumes that the POS position is a zero based index. However, A10 is can be accessed at index equal to 9. Now we will see how display resulting of an array where it prints only 9 elements after the deletion because one element we have chosen which was removed earlier. Let's run this program. First, number of elements. We need to enter 10 number of elements. Now, which position, which means that which position or index we need to delete from the array. Let's say we want to delete from the 0. Then what it will move is 40. Let's see the result. It now the array representation after deletion 14 has been removed and the remaining array is been seen. Okay, if you like our video, do like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.